Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. On this February Valentine month, all you need is some love and some cookies. A perfect gift for your loved ones. It's so easy to make just with 3 ingredients. Into a bowl, add in some all-purpose flour and sugar. Just mix it. Add some vegetable oil and combine it well. As we are not adding any egg or butter, this is a complete vegan recipe. Mix all the ingredients to make a cookie dough. Once it comes together like this, start shaping the cookies. Take small portions, roll it between your palms, just flatten it, and place it on a baking tray lined with parchment paper. Now you can use a tiny spoon like this, or using your fingers you can make the dent in the cookies. So here I used 1/8 teaspoon from my measuring spoon set. After marking the hearts in all the cookies, you can start filling it with jam. As this is a Valentine cookie, I am filling it with strawberry jam. You can either use strawberry jam or strawberry preserve. Don't overfill it because it can spill out while baking. Once you fill all the cookies with jam, bake them in 180-degree preheated oven for 20 to 25 minutes and allow it to cool down completely, and our jam-filled Valentine cookies are ready. Oh, it looks so pretty and tastes just amazing. So definitely try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Hit the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.